Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we had the lovely Lauren in for a redesign, so let's just go straight in. So I'm using Naio Nails Flawless here. You know, I've said it a million times, if you're a regular watcher on my channel, you know I love Flawless. And I went on their website and I brought a few of their core powders for Christmas, you know, leading up to Crimbo. And I love them. I do really enjoy them. Don't get me wrong, still love my CJP. Still a CJP die-hard fan. But I love this colour so much, I just bought a few other ones as well. So yeah, Flawless, and we're going to create some chevron nails. Remembered it. I think it's a chevron anyway. Some black ones. We're doing some black ones. This set was slightly inspired by some of the glitter on them was inspired, and these Frenchies were inspired by her. And it was somebody called on Instagram called sparkle_nails_cave. I'm sure it's that. I'll leave it in the description box anyway, but they were heavily inspired by her. They were fabulous, and I just was like, please, Lauren, come in. She was like, I want a black set, and I was like, she told me what she wanted, a little design that she wanted on the middle finger, so we went with that, and I was like, okay, let's do the rest like this picture. And she let me do it. So yeah, so we're using Flawless. We're using my size 10 brush, gone back to the 10. So yeah, now we're doing some chevrons. I've just said that. I'm doing it on high speed because, you know, we don't want to be here all day long. Capping as we're going. So yeah, I'll just let you enjoy this part. So these ones are going to be like a black tip with a bit of a glitter fade. So we're using Black Magic from CJP, and we're just going to put it on the tip and blend it up. Not bothered about if it's a nice fade because we're just covering it with glitter anyway. So yes. Oh, I've got to tell you, Lauren is if you know Lauren, you know that she is a bit of a lifter. She's known for being a lifter. So I use the 1 monomer, and it tells you to dehydrate, but it tells you, you know, skip the bonder, skip the primer, whatever you want to call it. So we do. But last time we did 2 we dehydrated twice and then we primed once and still use that monomer. She had 0 lifting, 0. So that is the way forward. So she was like, make sure you do it this time. And yeah, so she just needed that little bit extra. Her nails are mega oily, so I think dehydrating twice is just the way forward. So yeah, now we're going in with the glitter. This glitter is champagne gold from my website. And then over the top, we're going to use vintage copper, also from my website. 2 really stunning glitters on their own, but together, even better. So yeah, we're kind of doing like a little swoosh, and I'm going to do that on both of these nails. So cap them 2 in clear, and then we're going to move on to her other nails, and we're just going to sharpen these chevron nails. So I'm using my files, the best files in the world. Don't even care what anyone says. I know they're the best files in the world. So yeah, we're just going to sharpen the little chevron. And then we're going to apply our black acrylic. So I'll just let you watch this part. I have sped up the process because I didn't want this to be a 25-minute long video, and I hope you don't mind. So now I'm coming in and I'm going to file and bring these nails to life. So I'm using my saeyang K35 and this safety bit. I think, can't even remember where I got this from. I'm so sorry, because I've had all my bits for so long, I just don't know where I got them from. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna follow. I thought I'd leave this part in. I know I've sped it up, but it's nice to see the reveal, isn't it? And they were some really cracking reveals, I'm not gonna lie. So once I've done that, I will shape and buff and remove all the dust, ready for our gel. They kind of left a little bit of bubbles in the just like little, can you see there, like little dips, little pockets of black, and I even filed over them with my hand file and it did nothing, so I don't know what that was, but when you top coated them it went. So there we just used the Gel Bottle Ink rose gold gel, just a little stripe, and that little striping brush that I used also was from my website. It comes in a pack of 3, like rose gold copper style. And now we're going in with top coat. So this is Premier Gel Top Gloss. So if you know, but they had so many deals on, like top coats for $1.99, unbelievable. So I brought a few. I think they've even got one on today, so check it out. So I brought a load of top coats for £1.99. Can you Adam and Eve it? So yeah, top coated them. I coated them in NAFF Stuff Cinnamon Apple. What was it? Cinnamon and apple cuticle oil, and we're done. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.